So when you're walking around on a rocky beach like this, it's bumping up and down and you've got a selfie cam on you, it's probably not going to come out the smoothest footage. But then if you've got a gimbal with your, hang on a second, darling. Yeah, no, what's that? What have you got? It's very cute. Yes, it is. Yeah, like I was saying, yeah, so if you haven't got a gimbal, it can come out pretty shaky. What can we do about that? How can we get smooth footage without a gimbal? Watch and find out. You've got a problem, you need to stabilize your clip and you don't have access to a computer, enter Emulsio, at least if you've got an iPhone or an iPad. No matter what camera or app you're filming with, you can import the footage into your camera roll and stabilize that footage using the Emulsio app. No Premiere Pro warp stabilizer required or a gimbal either. But are the results worth it? Let me walk you through what Emulsio offers and then I'll show you some footage, some challenges, and you can judge for yourself. You can see here that as well as offering adjustable strengths of stabilization, it offers black border handling, live comparisons and non-destructive editing and dealing with rolling shutter distortion. It can analyze your footage in seconds and offers you an ability to view the original and stabilized footage side by side, so you can see the effect the stabilization correction is having. And you can simply change the optimization strength right here. In this section here, you can see a bit of a problem in my footage around the black border handling and the horizon dipping pretty considerably. And you can see it's cropped in a pretty long way considering this was a 50% stabilization. Alright, so this is me running along the beach. And you'll be able to see in a little while how this works and whether the stabilization is any good or not. Okay, should we try? Let's go. Now. Alright, how did that go? If you're a warp stabilizer user, in my limited experience, it does a better job. And if you have a gimbal, you'll definitely get a better result if you're using it correctly and under most conditions. But Emulsio is a great option if you only have your iOS device on you or you don't want to subscribe to the Adobe ecosystem. It would be great if LumaFusion had a stabilization option, but it doesn't. So if I need to get that footage stabilized, then Emulsio is my weapon of choice. There's a free version so you can try it out for yourself, but if you want to remove the watermark and get the Pro Pack, including better stabilization for 4K footage and rolling shutter repair, then that'll cost you the equivalent of the US App Store price of $7.99 in your local app store, which I think is pretty good value if you're mobile only or don't have access to Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Thanks for watching. This video might be useful for you too. My name's Saab Johel and I'll catch you here again soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Laters.